Hello guys, I'm here in Dude. I'm drinking coconut. So today we are going Shiva Khola with Nana, sister. Nana means sister. So see you in Shiva Khola, guys. So everyone, we are here in Norbong Kurseong, Shivatar. We are going Shiva Khola river to swim, and we have just parked our scooter there, and we have to walk 15 minutes from this road. So we reach here and we just opened our pants and shoes. We cannot walk with shoes. Actually, helmet pakdindo. Botol त छैन होला नि है. Now we have to walk 10 minutes by this water. Wow, the weather is so hot here. Go to I got a small cut on my thigh. This is jungle adventure. Jungle adventure, guys. Okay, now we are going to reach to waterfall. Small cut here, and your this one. Okay, small cut. But this is a small cut, guys. A small adventure, jungle adventure. We are barefoot. So we reach here in the river. You can see that's the river and that's a small waterfall. We are going to swim here, guys. We are back to Dude here. We swim and now we are returning back to our home. We just ordered our lunch, fish thali, and we'll eat and go back to our home. See you on the next adventure.